Hello friends, in this video I will explain about how to extract data from the given data set here. So let's start this video. Here I have already uploaded the data store under store cities. So I'll see in the data view here what are the columns we have. Here we have store ID, store type underscore ID, store size, city, state number, latitude, longitude here. So here we will extract data here. First we will go to the store size here. Here we can see 19 meter square, 28 meter square after that. But we want to extract the numbers from here only. So how will we do it? We'll see here. And here one more column we have state and hyphen state number hyphen city. Where we have this state, then state number, then city. So how will extract all those things we will see here. So for that we will go to the home, go to the transform data. Now come here transform. After that click on the extract here. Now we'll select this one store size, go to extract. Now we can see a delimiter here like 19 after that space is square meter, 28 is square meter, 17 qm. So like that, since we have to select all the text before this delimiter here, so we'll do that thing. Now give a space here. Now we can see here like all the after number whatever like space and square meter qm that is gone. So our this data extracted here. Now we have one more option here, this one. So better, so make a duplicate column of it. From here we'll make the state. Now create another duplicate column. From here we'll make this state ABR. So rename it. Now, now from this column I will make this first two character as a state here. So for that again we'll go to the extract text before delimiter. Here if we see here after this AR, TX and all we have space and then this what hyphen character here. So we'll do the same thing here. One more option is also here. Here we want only first two character only, so we'll try in that way. So come here, we want first two character only. Here two. Here we have extracted the first two character only. So we can see all the state like A, R, T, X, and C here. In the same way, we'll do here. Suppose here we want the like AR, after that hyphen, then state name Arcanas, Hot Spring. We want the middle one only. How will we do it here? So we have one more option here. Just select this column, go to the extract. Now this time we'll do the select between delimiter option here because our requirement here we have to extract this data, middle one. So for that, space, this is the first one. After that, space. Now click on OK. So this one, our this state, this column have been extracted here only. So this is the way to extract data from the given data set. Like that, there are multiple options we have to try. So this is all about the how to extract data from the given data set in Power BI.